Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use your keyboard to do your work more efficiently instead of using the mouse. I am going to use the selection in the data in my column A. If you click on advertisement, for example cell A2, and then you want to select the whole data in column A, as you can see, in order to extend your selection, you have to press Control Shift and arrow key. Because I'm going down in my column, therefore I will use Shift and Control together with the down arrow key. Now you can see I have extended my selection. Next thing I want to do is to make the text bold. In order to make the text bold, I have to access menu bar. Access my menu bar, I will click Alt key on my keyboard. Now you can see it gives me different option to go to different tab. I want to go to home tab, therefore I will click H on my keyboard. Now I am in home tab. It gives me different options. Because I want to make it bold, I can see if I click 1 on my keyboard, it will make my text bold. So I am going to click 1. Now you can see my text is turned to bold. Next thing I want to do is to make it italic. Again, I have to go to menu. Therefore, I will click tab on my keyboard, and then I will click H to access home tab. Now I want to make it italic, and you can see in order to make it italic, it is showing 2. So I am going to click 2 on my keyboard. Now you can see it is changed to italic. The third thing I want to do is to underline every data in my column A. Therefore, I have to go to menu. Again, I will click Alt on my keyboard and then H on my keyboard to access home tab. I can see that in order to underline it, I have to press 3 on my keyboard. I press 3 on my keyboard. It gives me two options, either to make it single underline or double underline. I want to make it double underline, for example. Therefore, I will click D on my keyboard, and now you can see my all text is double underline. You can see how easy it is to use your keyboard shortcut instead of using the mouse. It is more efficient to use the keyboard than mouse. I hope this video is useful for you and you will make use of it to make your work more quicker and easier.